Welcome back to my channel. So if you're new to my channel, hi, I'm Evelyn. I'm one of the beauty influencers. I just do a lot of makeup videos, product reviews, and all the other jazz. So in today's video, as you can see, I already have my face base done. I already have my brows, pretty much my eye base, everything is done. But I'm going to show you how to create a cut crease in 3 easy, simple steps. It's super easy. I know it can look very intimidating when you see on other people and you'll be like, I don't know if I can do this. It's so perfect, it's so crisp. Believe me, you can. And I'm also going to give you a hack if your cut crease is not like really sharp, how you can make it look like a proper sharp nice cut crease. So let's just begin and let's just get into this video. Rest of the video will be on a voiceover, so hope that's okay with you guys. So yeah, let's just get into this video. And before you leave, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, so every time I'm posting a video you will get a notification. Alright guys, so let's start.
Okay guys, so for the cut crease we are going to begin with a transition shade first. So I am using a Makeup Geek single eyeshadow in shade Goddess. So now these eyeshadows are from before the rebranding, so I don't know if the same eyeshadows are available or not, but do check our Makeup Geek website. So this was in shade Goddess and I'm applying this with a very fluffy brush, and I'm just taking the product a little bit at a time because I just don't want the intensity of the color to be too much. I just build it up as I like it or however much I need it. So and I'm gonna blend this out very nice and kind of quite close to my brow line. So it's gonna be more like a really blended out, kind of like a transition shade. Now I'm going to cut my crease, and for that I'm using my Hard Candy Gamafoulage full coverage concealer, and this is in shade Extra Light. This concealer is very full coverage, so it works really well as a cut crease eye base, because also the shade is very light, especially for my skin tone anyway. So I am just using this to cut my crease, and I'm actually cutting the crease with a ColourPop shader brush. This doesn't have any number or anything, but it's one of the ColourPop shader brushes, like a flat shader brush. And I'm just going to use my whole concealer to cut my crease, and also to like cut my wing and everything else. I want to make it look like a cut crease. So now I have both of my eyes done. First of all, I'm going to set my concealer, and for concealer you can always go with the translucent powder first and then go with whatever eyeshadow you want to put on top. But the eyeshadow I use for this particular look, I just use that as to set, like to actually put on directly on my concealer instead of putting the powder. The reason I did that because this particular eyeshadow has a bit of a shimmer, so for shimmer to be really pop out and stay where you put it, you need a tacky base. And I use the shade Shimma from Makeup Geek, again one of the old ones. For the eyeliner, I'm using Covergirl liquid eyeliner, and this is in shade Black. Now this step is very personal choice, and it's very optional as well. You can definitely use the same eyeliner I'm using. You can definitely use any liquid liner you use. It's absolutely fine. But if you don't want your liner to be super intense, or like you want more of like a eyeliner look, but not putting but not putting the actual liner, you can definitely use any eyeshadows. You can use black, brown, purple, whatever you want, whatever eyeshadow you want to use, and make your wing with that. By creating a wing, it actually defines your cut crease even more. It's starting to look like you have done like 3 cut creases and stuff like that. So now I'm just putting my liner. I usually like my liner to be super thick, but for this particular look I kept it quite thin. The reason for that is because I just wanted my lid space to look super big. I'm using the Goddess on my lower lash line as well, and I actually didn't do much with my lower lash line, just applied Goddess and really smoked it out. And for the inner corner I just used Shimma again, and I just applied it in the inner corner. For my waterline I use my Milani Cosmetics eye pencil, and this is in shade brown. It's a very nice, very like gel liner kind of pencil. It's amazing. Now the hack for your cut crease to look super sharp and like really defined, you can use any glitter eyeliner and just go over where you actually cut the crease. Just go over the line, and it will do 2 things. First of all, it will make your cut crease look super intense, and second thing, it will look very defined. You can use this technique with half cut crease, with full cut crease, with like little bit cut crease, whatever you want. This really makes your cut crease pop out and look it very sharp. Now I'm using my Cabinet Quan lash curler, and for my mascara I use Essence waterproof mascara. You all know by now I am huge fan of Essence mascaras. I think they are super duper good. They're very affordable, very good brand, very good brand. And I'm also going to use this on my lower lashes as well. For my hair, I didn't actually do much. First I put them down, but then I just wanted to tie them up so you can see my face properly. This not covering with hair. So this is how sometime I do my effortless pony, like low pony. This is how I do it. I just basically do my pony and then pull some hair out from top.
Here we go. This is the final look. So this is how I do my cut crease. This is how I started when I started doing cut crease. Believe me, it's all about practice. The more you will practice, the more you will perfect this whole process. But it's not actually that big of a deal once you know where you want your crease to be, where you want the actual cut to start and stop. That's exactly what you need to know. So hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below, and I shall see you guys next time. Love you all. Take care. Bye.